Well, tomorrow night we're going to hit the strip and see what kind of baseline numbers we can get on the coupe. We've replaced all 4 tires. We've done a tune-up, cleaned up underneath the hood a bit, and revisited some drag racing basics. The only thing that we have left to do is just take it out for a run and knock the rust off the gear shift.
Let go.
It wasn't bad, but it could have been better.
Swing that big old thing right out in front of you? Damn, I'm sorry.
Well, our night's coming to an end.
Well, our night was cut short by a leaking radiator hose. We were able to get some valuable seat time, however, and catch up with some friends and family for the rest of the night. And our nephew ran a new personal best of 1277 at 105. We have a theory that as long as the car can drive back onto the trailer, it was a good trip. We'll be back soon to continue our adventure. Thanks for watching.